Alright, here we go. Let me see if we try to find a skull here.
Yeah, this nightmare seems more realistic for this kind of creature.
Yeah, no, because I did record a video of like how Stealth a Box was. Fucking, I think Apollyon Cartridge Cat was much wandering faster. This one is pretty much almost like it, but it's kind of nightmare. So yeah, he wanders if you're next
Which
to
one
him.
is worse? Which one is worse, Nightmare or Polyon?
Apollyon, cause they wander and shit. Nightmare he does a move, but yeah. Oh shit. Found a skull. Another one.
I'd be surprised if he passed this alive.
Okay, you gotta be careful. God, this lag. What the fuck? Oh God! Oh, he jumped over. He fucking jumped over. Are you kidding me? Why did he jump over that? No! God damn it. That was so retarded. Why did he jump over the thing? He climbed over the fucking crate. And I died right at the fucking end. Ah, damn it. Because he ran away. I got captured. God damn it. Put first person back on. Oh man.